Fish. Identity was?
Yes, exactly. Hello and welcome back to German Brew today again with my wife.
Hi everyone!
Okay, today we will make a wine again, pear wine with canned pear. We have 4 cans. They already just included crisp Birne, we call it, so pear in half with sugar.
This we buy in the grocery.
Yes, and included is citrus acid, so nothing more.
So one of these weighs 460 grams. So we have 3 of them. 4. Sorry.
820 gram with the juice, with the...
460 grams. Sorry.
820 gram with the juice, with the...
460 grams. Fish. Identity was?
Yes, exactly. We have 2 here, one with the liquid, with the sugar water, and one without.
I was
I'm
confused.
sure everyone can know it.
I'm confused here. You cannot see. I'm confused with the numbers because they put how many grams and then they put the water. Yes.
That means 420 grams are the fruit inside.
The water or the juice. So we'll open this.
Open, you put it inside.
Okay.
That sounds like a good...
Juice? Only the juice or everything?
Completely.
Why everything?
Because the fruits give also some flavor and the yeast will like the sugar in the fruits.
Hala! We need something for cooking it.
Maybe we keep
A lot.
a few fruits. Maybe the next only with the
Here.
juice.
Yes, maybe that's already
And
enough.
The positive thing is we can eat the fruit.
It's already the fruits is also it's already in the half of the container, so I think it's enough.
It's enough.
So we will just use the put the juice or
We will just put the juice. It's just going so fast today again because we're just using cans.
You think I
It's okay.
put it good?
You put it good.
So everything is inside. We have the 2 cans with the fruits and the 2 cans we just use the juice.
Yes. And what we will also put inside is this one.
What's that?
That is just cooked bread yeast.
Cooked already.
It's cooked, so it's dead.
It looks like
Because-
condensed milk.
Yes, because
But why it's dead? You need it to work.
this one needs to be dead. This one will be work. This one is
Why?
bread. It's nutrients for the normal yeast.
Don't understand.
The
Yeah?
yeast, yes, the yeast are cannibals. They eat each other.
And the next,
What we
you
will
need
put is
the other yeast. Why I want to
that's
try
the
it.
question you want to try it with it, that yeast. Maybe you try it from the can.
From the can. It's soft.
Because it's cooked. And?
It's cooked. It's cooked and it's soft.
And?
It's sweet.
Okay.
Sugar. Okay.
That's the question. We don't know where the tube is, so it's cleaned. And
Still cold.
and then need to buy new 1.060. So still a little bit low.
Because it's not so sweet.
We're starting with 1 cup of sugar.
1/4.
1/4 cup of sugar, of course.
Then
2/4, so 1/2 cup.
You need to mix it.
So you need to mix it.
So small.
So almost 1 cup.
3/4.
3/4. Because I thought it's a lot of volume. Let's do the work by my wife. Slowly, slowly.
Very slowly.
I think it's an insider. If you have a child that looks Miss Rachel, you know what we're talking about.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Hopefully not too much foam. Let's go up.
Hi.
1 point.
It's still
1.095, it's good.
It's more now? Before
It's a lot of more.
Oh, before how much?
Before we was more, it's 1.06, now we 95.
Here, that is even.
It's good. We're talking about 10-12%. It's okay. We can backsweet it when it becomes completely dry. I prepare already the top of it.
Okay.
Just close it tight. What did I forget?
The yeast. Why? I told you. I asked
My
you
wife-
later. Earlier. You
Yes, my wife told me already. We have today apple and pear cider yeast. So, pear.
You almost forget the very important ingredient.
And put everything inside. Just mix it a little. And it's done. Now we can close it good. And
Okay.
I just realized we need to order new yeast.
Don't have yeast
I
anymore.
don't. I just have one Bavarian beer yeast.
So we already put the airlock. Oh, I know already.
Yes, you want to put alcohol? Just careful here.
And some alcohol for the bags.
Perfect, you know already.
I always saw it. And it's already finished.
That's already finished.
Maybe I will drink the rest of the alcohol.
Pure vodka. Okay, we're done.
Okay.
Now we need to wait like for the other one.
We need to wait how many weeks?
I think 2, 3 until we can rack it.
Okay.
And then again 2, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. We give some extra nutrients, so normally it's faster then. And more important, I need to wash my hands because a lot of sugar you put here.
Yeah.
So, if you like the video, I make something new. Maybe you like these 2 videos, because the last time I realized the video was on your face where I show. So, these 2 videos here and here. And also you can subscribe, and we see us next time.
Bye.
Bye.